Students, today you have to discuss potentiometer. Potentiometer is a device which measures the EMF of a cell without drawing current from the source. Not only it is helpful to measure the potential difference, PD, potential difference. What is the construction of that potentiometer? Potentiometer is a simple form that the many number of wires, 1 meter wire, this is from A to this point, actually the 1 meter wire is there. Another, it is a connector, it is connected by the copper strip connector, and again another 1 meter wire here, and one connector, again 1 meter wire. In this manner, the potentiometer contains 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10 wires, 1 meter wires. So that wire, actually the type of wire is that it is made up of manganine and constantan, and the wire is having the uniform cross-sectional area and the steady current flows through the wire. And all these systems, all these wires, all these arrangements are kept on a wooden platform. And you look into the circuit, and A is a point, terminal point, another B is the point, and here the switch K is here, and this is the rheostat, and one ammeter is connected. Ammeter means that will be this is the minus and plus, and ammeter this will be the minus and plus. One ammeter is connected, and one cell is connected in the circuit. That cell is a that cell is called the driving cell. The driving cell is connected in the circuit, and on the terminal A, one voltmeter is connected here, and other point one jockey is being connected here. So what is the role of that potentiometer? What is the principle of the potentiometer? First important thing is the principle of potentiometer. The principle is that the PD, potential difference across any part of the wire, is directly proportional to the length of that wire, length of that portion of the wire when constant current flows through it. Means to tell that actually the PD, potential difference between any portion of the wire, is directly proportional to its length. This is the actual principle. So you know from Ohm's law. From Ohm's law you know it. From Ohm's law, the V equal to I into R, and that you know it, that is equal to I into R equal to rho L upon A, I rho L upon A, and this can be I rho and L, A, that is into L. So here you will be finding, if I is the constant, I is the steady current, I is the steady current, and rho is the resistivity of the wire, and A is the uniform cross-sectional area, cross-section. So for the steady flow of current and uniform cross-sectional area of the wire, then V is directly proportional to L. So here you get it, the V is directly proportional to L. V is directly proportional to L. Means the potential difference between any two points is directly proportional to length. Potential difference is directly proportional to length L. Or here you can write it as V equal to K into L, or K equal to that V upon L, and this K is called the potential gradient. This K is called the potential gradient. So that means to the potentiometer is used to measure the potential difference. So that potential gradient, if the potentiometer will be more sensitive. How it will be more sensitive? Sensitive means it will measure a very small potential difference. So that small difference can be measured if the potential gradient is small. For the potentiometer will be more and more sensitive if the potential gradient is very small, and it is possible if the length is very large. So that the potentiometer, the better potentiometer is that where it is having more than 2, 3, 4, 5, even if the number of wires used equal to 10 pieces here, 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece and 10 pieces like that also potentiometer if you use, that will be more sensitive. And for sensitive potentiometer, that L must be lengthy one, longer one, that you can use the lengthy wire to get the more sensitive potentiometer. And I would like to tell you that here clearly what happens here, one voltmeter is connected here. Just look at the working here. What happens? If you toss the wire here, the length, the potential difference between these two lengths, this length is directly proportional to the voltage. We will be finding one voltage reading on the voltmeter. If that jockey will be tossed to the another point here, we can get the another reading, and that reading should be more than, because if the length will increase, if the jockey will be tossed here also, we can get the length, this length plus this length. The length, if the length will be increased, the voltmeter will give you the reading, that is the voltage potential difference, that will be more and more. And hence the important thing is that potentiometer principle is that potential drop V is directly proportional to the length, and this is the basic principle of potentiometer. And another thing I will tell you, that potentiometer is that device which measures the potential difference without taking current from the source. But voltmeter also not only measures the potential difference between the 2 points of the conductor, between the one portion of the conductor, by drawing the current from the cell. Voltmeter uses some amount of current to operate on itself, but potentiometer doesn't take any current from the source. This is all about your potentiometer. In the next video, we will be discussing how that EMF of two cells can be compared and internal resistance of the cell can be measured by help of the potentiometer. Thank you.